Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can easily change your TikTok username, and so let's just do it. Click on a TikTok, go to me on the left down corner, and you'll have it here, edit profile, and now you will have it here, yellow jacket, can only contain letters, numbers. Once you change, you won't be able to change again within 30 days, but you can also change this one here, the first one, what people are going to see. So let's go to yellow jacket 1. Okay, and people are going to see yellow jacket 1, but the profile is still called yellow jacket. So what you want to do first is just wait 30 days if you already changed it, and then you can change it. So again, yellow jacket is up on up, again the same, and then this is what you can do. So go on a profile, me, edit profile, and then change the yellow jacket to something else, or your just profile name, the first line and the second line. And that's kind of it. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe, and I'll be really thankful for that. Thank you very much, everybody. Goodbye and see ya.